Nagaland's seniormost legislator and advisor of social welfare, Noke Wangnao, passed away on Monday morning at Dimapur. He was 87 and is survived by his wife, 4 daughters, 2 sons and grandchildren. He died at Christian Institute of Health Sciences and Research, Dimapur, after suffering from a cardiac arrest. Popularly called Papa Noke, from his community, Wangnao was elected to the Nagaland Legislative Assembly 10 times from the 43 Tapi Assembly Constituency under Mon District. He was elected to Nagaland Legislative Assembly 10 times from the Tapi Assembly Constituency in 1974, 1977, 1982, 1987, 1989, 2003, 2013, 2018, and the 2023 Nagaland Legislative Assembly election. He had served as a minister in the Nagaland Legislative Assembly and also as an advisor to the Chief Minister of Nagaland. He lost in 2 general, that is 1993, and 2008 general elections. Wangnao served as an assistant teacher in Mon District before foraying into politics and won the Nagaland Legislative Assembly election in 1974 as a UDF party candidate. He also won the election held earlier this year on NDPP ticket. The send-off service for the legislator will be held in Dimapur at 12 noon before the mortal remains are taken off to his native place in Mon.